Good morning, student of class 7. Today we will study grammar. In grammar, first chapter is alphabetical fun, and in that day I had given you some homework to do, and mostly you have shown already. Now here that day I had already told you about the subject. Means sentence. Sentence means it has two parts: subject and the predicate. One by one I have already described you. Sentence means a group of words which make complete sense. It has two parts: the subject and the predicate. And now subject, that day I had told you, subject means noun or pronoun. What any something what does, that is subject. And rest part will be the predicate. Rest means helping verb and object. Here given a sentence has two parts. One is subject and other is the predicate. In the sentence, when we talk about the subject, and what tells you something about the subject is the predicate. It means related to the subject. Suppose that Ram is going. So what is the subject here? Ram. And is going, it is the rest part. It means description of about Ram. So is helping verb, going verb. So it means this one is going. It is what? Predicate part. Now with the example here given also. Here check. She played. So here what? Subject she, and now played, it is the predicate part. Rest like we played cricket. So we, you know that pronoun subject, and now verb this one and this one object. It means both are predicate here. Now here's exercise C is here given. Encircle the subject and underline the predicate in the given sentence. What to do here? Here means we have to do that. Encircle the subject. Subject you have to encircle, and predicate we have to underline. First we have to read it, then understand. We respect our teachers and elders. Again think about, and then here we can understand. We respect our teachers and elders. So we here it is the subject. Now we have to encircle it, and predicate underline. Respect, you know that it is verb. The rest part is the predicate part. So this one predicate part. Like this you have to do. It's your homework. Okay. Now come to the next part. Next part is that kind of sentences. Kind of sentences. Now kind of sentences. So kind of sentences, there are four kind of sentences. First is assertive. First is assertive. Assertive. Second is interrogative. Interrogative. Third is imperative, and fourth is exclamatory sentence. So now we have to understand. Assertive sentence means any common sentence that is a statement. Suppose that he goes to school. Goes to school. C, and another one, she is a teacher. So check here, he goes to school. A statement about this one, he goes to school. It is assertive sentence. She is a teacher. She is a teacher. It is a statement of about she, about her. So this one also what is assertive? Assertive, there are two types. One is positive sentence, another is negative sentence. Negative and positive, both sentences are in positive. One negative I am writing, he did not do the work. Do the work. So now this one what? This one is negative. It means assertive sentence. Interrogative, very simple sentence, very simple kind of sentences was interrogative. It means it asks questions. Ask questions. Suppose that what is your name? What is your name? And after that question mark. It asks question. Another is help one time. Do you like reading? question mark. This one interrogative. Interrogative means, understand, it means what it asks questions. So here check, both are asking questions. So this one interrogative sentence. Next part is imperative sentence. Imperative sentence means, what is imperative sentence? Maybe I think you know that. Imperative sentence means those sentences which ask what? Request, suggestion, order, command, advise, etc. And in that sentences there is no subject. Sentences will start with means verb or means negative do not. Means suppose that imperative sentence, what? Do your work. Do your work. It is imperative sentence. And in whenever request is there, so please or kindly is used. Please give me your pen. Your pen. So this one imperative. Imperative sentence that denotes order, suggestion, command, request, etc. Last one exclamatory. Exclamatory means those sentences which represent sudden strong feeling. Sudden strong feeling. Those sentences which represent sudden strong. That is exclamatory sentence. Suppose that you are going and after you have just seen a snake. So after seeing a snake you will say something, oh ouch, etc. Suppose that you hurt your knee. So after that you will say, that will be what? That will be exclamation word. Like in this type of sentence, this type of word use oh, ah, alas, hurrah, bravo, etc. word used. Okay, it represent what? It represent joy, sorrow, excitement, okay, etc. And suppose that bravo, suppose that you have passed with good marks, so your parents, teachers will say bravo, you have done well, you have done well. Like this you have to. Now here check kinds of sentence what I had just explained. Here given assertive, interrogative, imperative and exclamatory sentence. Here one by one given assertive sentence. Assertive states, interrogative, imperative and exclamatory. Here means what? Positive statement. An example is that we play cricket. And negative statement, do not play. And interrogative, WH type, what is your name and do you like games? Interrogative, request, please give me your pen, order, close, this one. And exclamatory, how beautifully girls have decorated the class, this one. Okay, now this one, your first is that assertive sentence. Assertive sentence, this one tomorrow I will tell you. Today you have to study it. Assertive sentence, interrogative, imperative and exclamatory. Tomorrow I will explain more details about the assertive sentence. Okay, thank you.